Hello everyone, how are you all doing? So welcome to my channel. Yes, as I said earlier this morning from my live stream, yes, I want to go and buy some few things to prepare soup. It's one of the traditional soup in Nigeria, okay, and this soup I mostly use it even for occasion, you know. So, and the soup is best eaten with any Nigerian swallow, be it fufu, pounded yam, garri swallow, amala, semolina, tuwo, name it. So I'm going to take you all along with me, step by step. So let's go and buy the things together, then we'll come back and prepare it. So don't forget to give this video a like. It is sunny, and I want to hurry up so that I can come back in time to pick up the kids from school. Yes, school have resumed. So let's go. Okay. And that is all. Pepper 200. 200 plus 600. Once is remove 4,000. You remove your charges. Approve. I'll come with you 2, 3, yes. 100 naira. Use this guy, you get 100. Do you have 100 naira? Or give me ginger. 100 naira on day. Thank you. Wow. Buy meat. So don't finish. Okay, thank you. So I'm done buying. So let's go home to go and prepare it. Let's go and see what I bought. Let's go and start preparing it. Let's go and prepare it. Yeah, so I tie my hair because of sun. It is sunny and because of dust again. So that's why I tie my hair. I wrap my hair. Yes. The sun is scorching hot. So hot. So let's go. The things I bought from back home. So this is fresh pepper. Okay, 200 naira. Yes. This fufu is fresh for fufu. So 200 like this, 200 naira. 200 naira. So I'm going to be washing it. And then this is goat meat, 2,000 naira. And then change remain. So I decided to collect ginger with it, 100 naira. Yeah. So let me wash the meat and the pomo to steam together. The meat and the pomo. Okay, I've put the spicy salt, fresh pepper, ginger, seasoning cube, and dry onions as well. Yes, so I'm stirring it to marinate it. So then I'm going to let me add some more water so that I can be steaming it on low heat, so that I'll go and pick up the kids from school. Let me go and pick them from school that I've closed. So I've picked them from school. Wait, see my son, little one. Yes, so we're going back home. We are going back home. Yes. This fish, I want to add the fish to this to steam together. Meat, okay. I've removed the meat and put on fire for it to dry. Let me turn in my palm oil. This is red oil, okay, or red oil from the village. Yeah, so let the pot dry. So the oil is hot. I'm going to be turning in my tomatoes and pepper. I had to use a hand grater to grate it because my blender is spoiled. What is it? So after frying the tomatoes and pepper, okay, I'm not using fresh onions. It's dry onions that I'm using, that I made myself. So I'm going to be turning in the meat. Yes, I'm going to be turning in the meat before I will add any seasoning. So I've turned it in, so I will allow it to fry a bit. Yes, then I will test it if this. So I'll need to add more seasoning or spices. Yes, so here is my fresh bitter leaf. I just plug it from my backyard garden. So I'm going to be rinsing it thoroughly because of dust. Yes, I'm not going to be squeezing it to remove the bitterness. I'm going to be using it like this. Yes, if you wash it and remove the bitterness, you have removed the nutrients. So, and what is left for you now that you're eating is sharp. So I'm not going to be washing it. I'm not going to be squeezing it to remove the bitterness. So I'm going to rinse it thoroughly. Then I will use knife to slice it into smaller pieces. So I've added spices, and I'm ready. So I want to add water that I will use to make the soup. Yes, let's add water. So after adding the water like this, you have to put the bitter leaf. So if you are cooking soup, make sure that if you don't want to use if you don't want to wash the bitter leaf, okay, make sure you put the bitter leaf when the water have not started boiling, when the soup have not started boiling. Okay, by putting it like this, the bitter leaf will not be too bitter because I didn't wash it to remove the bitterness. Yes, so that is the trick. That is the logic. And when you put it like this, you make sure that you're not going to stir it immediately. Don't stir it immediately. If not, if I put spoon now to stir it, it will be bitter. In fact, the whole soup will spoil. Yes, so make sure you don't stir it. Leave it, let it boil out by itself. Whether dry, unwashed bitter leaf or fresh one like this. Yes, so I'll cover it to boil by itself. So let's check. So it has boiled. Yes, so I'm going to be adding the egusi, the grounded. Here's the grounded egusi, so I'm going to turn it inside. So let me mix it. I've turned the egusi inside, so stir it. I'm using spatula to stir it so that the fish will not scatter. If I use spoon, this fish will scatter. So after turning it, I'll leave it for it to boil. Let it boil. So the soup is ready. The soup is ready. So the next thing we are going to do now is to plug water so that we'll make gari to eat with the soup. So I'm going to turn off the gas, yes, and then cover it, cover the soup. So the water has boiled. The water has boiled. Let me get a bowl that we use. Put on the hot water here. So it has off. So let's turn the hot water here. See the quantity. So here is the gari. Gari made of cassava. So turn it this side. So this is it. So after leaving it for 5 minutes, you're going to be using spatula. This is my spatula. Okay, so I'm using it to turn. Okay, so let me drop the camera so I can stir it very well, to stir it, mix it very well to blend. So I'm done stirring it. I'm going to be serving it. So this is it. Can you see the soup? So my children, everyone, we are going to be eating together. So let me know what you feel about this food from the comment section. Thank you so much. See you in my next video.